Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add YouTube channel link to Roblox and how you can fix the error of invalid YouTube URL. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the YouTube application on your mobile phone and go to You from the bottom right corner. Here tap on View Channel, then your YouTube channel will open. After opening the channel, tap on three dots on the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Here tap on the first option, Share, then copy your YouTube channel link. After that, go back and open the Roblox application. Then tap on More in the bottom right corner. In the More section, scroll to the bottom and you will see Settings. So tap on it. Then in the Settings, tap on Account Info. Next account info page will open. Scroll to the bottom and you will see the social networks section. Here paste the copied link in the box under YouTube. After pasting the link, when you try to save, you get the error that the YouTube URL is invalid. To fix this, you have to remove everything after your YouTube channel handle. Like my handle is YT Tutorials 1. So I will delete everything after my YouTube channel handle. You will find the YouTube channel handle under your channel name. Then I will change visibility from no one to everyone. Tap on save and you can see it's saved successfully. And you can see my channel is also opening. And this is how you can add YouTube channel link to Roblox.